But I do have a problem with someone who can't even play a D chord on a guitar, telling someone with a dream that they won't get far. So this song is dedicated to all those underdogs like me out there running around. Don't get discouraged if you have a dream. Don't be afraid to chase it down. This is how it goes.
What's up? What the frick's up, bro? What the fuck? Okay, we're good. Sad. It's not working today. Alright, that's fine. How are we doing today? Hopefully pretty good. Now, this here video, number one, got you a picture coming of my truck. Number two, mainly, I'm going to do a complete downline of my 1/64th 164th. Sorry, that was kind of weird. Farm equipment / tractors, trucks. Probably just tractor and trucks. Pickup trucks. So, because I don't know. I don't have any semis that are customized. So, let's package lip of what the fuck? Grizzly dark wintergreen. So, yeah, let's just package the lip. That was good. What the fuck? Oh, that was some bitch. Oh, fuck. It unpacked itself, damn it. JK. That's how we pack here. No big deal. I don't do any pack me a lip. No, I just simple. Show you guys the dip. I'm dipping. Round one. Round two. Not bad. I think I'm gonna run her in the middle today, so never mind. My body just changed its mind. Nope. Yep. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what the fuck's going on in my lip today. We'll do one thing. We'll try the other side. That's negative. I feel like I just got a lot of nicotine into my whole lip because I went from side to side. Anyway. Can you believe it? Water bottle. I didn't even notice. You guys should have told me or something. Alright. Okay, so yeah, let's get to it. Alright, I'm gonna have the camera turned around. You won't be able to see me. I will have a dip in because every so often I'm going to pause and you're not gonna hear a damn word, and I'm gonna spit and you're gonna hear it. So, do not get angry at me. Okay. Okay. What I have here, so I'm going to scoot it back just a touch, show you. I have a little bookshelf I made. And I'm using it, well, that was fucking annoying. I'm using it as a background, piece of wood, you know. So here is my hand, size-wise, touching the back with my ring finger. So, you know, it's not huge. So that gives you an idea of what size this is. So, if you don't know what 1/64 is, first of all, we're going to start off with my least favorite truck. Not truck, but make of a vehicle. It is a Ford. But, it's, yeah, I'll tell you more about it. But no offense to Ford owners, it's okay. I'm not dissing much at all. I am dissing, but no offense. So, I'm going to start off with this truck. Okay. As I said, you're going to hear me spit. Okay. So, right here, we have a Ford, probably 7.3. Has Pharmachrome along there, mud flap, traction bars, white wall lettering, or not white wall, white letter tires, Dodge wheels, has one stack in the back, turn it to the rear, one mud flap fell off, sorry about that, I can't find the fucker. If I point, what the fuck, if I point it up like this towards the light, you'll be able to see. I know it doesn't look the best. My brother did this. So, he wanted to make a rear cab dually Dodge, so he put a Dodge grill on it. My brother did this truck. Tinted windows. Clean truck. Okay, on to number 2, which is a Ford. I did this. Very clean. Ford, again, 7.3. Factory tires and wheels, dual stacks, no mud flaps, just regular, just put stacks in it. It's pretty much all I did. So, looks good. I like it. Even though it's a Ford, which I don't like, but, you know, I like it because I made it, so. Yeah. Not too bad. So, there's that. Okay. On to the last Ford I own. This is very customized. Done by me. Okay. Whoops. It's quite big. 7.3 dually. We have a fuel tank right here, welder right here, dual stacks, pretty large stacks. We have mud flaps off a semi, tow mirrors right here, moon visor right here with lights. We have aftermarket fuel tanks, aftermarket drive shaft, step side, dimension semi tires, can't remember. And then we have a, what do you call that, a cattle guard, or a, what the fuck do you call that, a freaking brush guard or whatever. And yeah. And I will tell you, since I put these in here, it does cover up the ball for the fifth wheel trailer. So what I usually do is I take my fifth wheel trailer here, fifth wheel trailer here, probably down, since it won't, looks kind of gay there. I just went ahead and, did that. Still, it's a little bit angled, but no big deal, you know what I mean. So, take Take this bad boy away. Now we're into the Dodges, okay? We have a blacked out Cummins here. I'm going to go ahead and say these are all 5.9s, so they're probably 2003s, maybe 2004. I'm not sure when they changed to a 6.7, probably in 2009. So, tinted windows, except for the driver and passenger window, they are down. Blacked out wheels, rhino lined, aftermarket drive shaft, tip, chrome front mirrors, chromed grille instead of the billet grille, blacked out bumper, bumpers, I love this placement of this exhaust tip. It's just about perfect for this Cummins. So, chromed bed cap or rail sides or whatever right here. What I did here is I made this chrome, just scraped it down to metal so it looks like there's an actual mirror there. You'll see in the next couple trucks that it is not chromed, same with the front. So there's that Dodge. Okay, on to the one that I showed in the other video. This goes out to full review, by the way. He said he likes miniature stuff, so this video goes to him. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe to that guy. He's pretty cool. He's a dipper. So, antennas, fuel or toolbox, stock wheels, tires, mud flaps in the front, and lights under the bumper up front. This will focus. Damn it. Here we go. Okay, tip, aftermarket exhaust tip. I love this placement as well. It is a miter cut tip. Okay, mirrors too. Mirrors, but not on the front side, as you can tell. Not tinted. Now moving on to the next Dodge. Stock tires and wheels, dual exhaust, dual stacks, mud flaps. This mud flap's screwed up. Pretty nice truck. See how it's got the billet grill. It's lined. I chromed the other one. So, mirrors are done. Okay. On with the next one. We have a newer body style. This is a 4th generation Dodge. It's pretty much blacked out. Wheels. Fuel caps blacked. Rhino lined on the bottom around the fenders, blacked out grill, blacked out bumper, mirrors are done there but not up front, with a big tip on it, big old diesel tip on there, blacked bed caps, bed rail caps or whatever, blacked out vents, tinted, except for driver and passenger. Pretty nice truck. On to the next truck. It's a Dodge. It's a 4th generation, pretty much farmer truck. Color matched bumpers, like a Duramax would come if it was like a Denali or something. Mirrors are done, but not up front. Not tinted, with a diesel tip. I do realize that this diesel tip sits a little low. It's because of my placement. There is an actual exhaust there, and I just glued it there. So, nice truck. Third generation Dodge Cummins Puller. It's like a souped up puller or whatever. Not like serious pulling, but you know, kind of county fair pull or whatever. So you have steps, different wheels and tires, blacked out bumper, same with back, big tip in the stack in the back. It's kind of leaning, sorry about that. Tinted, I don't know if I mentioned that. Mirrors are not done in the front or back. Pretty nice truck. Now we have a Ford that specialized puller. Have a weight bracket, blacked out. Was blue, if you can tell. There's a little tint there. Dodge wheels, stack with a tonneau cover. If you guys didn't know, Ford only came with a dually, but I took this box off a Dodge. If you can tell, this is a red Dodge's box with a Ford. And yeah, so there's that. On to a Dodge, third generation. Weight bracket, hood stack. It's lifted just a touch. I will set a non-lifted truck next to it. Can't really tell from this point of view, but it sits a little bit higher. Let's put it behind. It sits just a touch higher. And this sits low in the back because apparently they thought that we'd be towing something, so they squat a little bit. Mirrors are not done, but I'm going to, it does have a tonneau cover. I did have dual stacks back there, but changed to a hood stack, and like real tractor pullers, the stack is a cover, so when the hood comes up on any super stock tractor puller, the stack comes up with the hood to cover the exhaust. So I just drilled it in there to make that realistic as possible. Weight bracket moves a little bit. Here's another truck. It is a Chevy gasser puller, different wheels, farmer chrome, stack, tonneau cover, mirrors are done, chrome sun visor, bumpers are different. Yeah, my brother did this. It looks pretty badass. He painted the cab lights on it. Glued the hood shut. I don't know why he did that, but anyway, there's that. On to tractors. We have a 5020 that has the nice fenders on it. It's been painted a little bit black, has a stack, put different real wheels on it. My brother did this one. He cut the steering wheel off for some reason, I don't know why. So that's that. On to a 4010 narrow front. Has a weight bracket, but nothing's sitting there. I haven't found anything to put there. Stack, intake. Intake's already on there, just to put a stack on it. Okay, onto a 4020. farmer tractor. Nice big stack on there. Pretty nice tractor. 440. Chrome toolbox, chrome step, stack. Took the duals off. My brother did this one. Nice tractor. 440. I put a stack on it. Pretty nice tractor. I did this. Onto a 4960 with duals in the back. Stack there. My brother's graduation cake is what this was sitting on. So there's a little bit cake. I haven't cleaned it yet. This is the actual stack, but I didn't feel like cutting it off, so I just say it's the intake. There's a stack right there. Mud flaps, whatever you want to call those fuckers. Then we have a puller here, and I just put dual stacks on it. Did have actual stacks on it, but I decided that they needed to be better, so I put those on it. And that pretty much covers it all for my farm equipment. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked it. I know this is kind of kiddish, but I like to do it every once in a while. Fuck. That's no good. Fuck. It's alright. I'll fix that. Well, now she can roll over and you'll die. So, yeah. Anyway, that's alright. No big deal. Yeah. Alright.
God bless Tennessee, but I'd rather be just a no-fence post in Texas than sell my soul to rock and roll a rapper, wear those tight-fitting skinny jeans.